Greetings to all.
ஒரே நிமிஷம் இங்கே உங்களுக்கு டைம் தெரியும். ஓகே, ரெடி சார்.
Greetings to all. I am Dr. Ashok Kumar Katta, Department of MBA, Vistas, Program MBA, Semester 2, Subject Operations Management. Today, topic for the presentation, which is completely focusing on functions of operations management. The important functioning of operation management broadly split to the 5 important parts. First one, finance. Second one, operations. Third one, strategy. Fourth one, product design. Fifth one, maintaining the quality. First one, finance. Finance is a separate domain. Operation management is another domain. Here, in the point of operation management, they were also directly, indirectly spending money for purchasing of the material. Being an operation manager, he should know what should not be waste, because inventory is very essential and important resources. With the help of the inventory only, we are able to see the productivity of institution. Here, he or she definitely they need to be ensured we should not be wasted any kind of materials, and as well as in the service process also we are dedicated to satisfy consumer needs abilities. Second important functioning is operation. This is a core important domain, as we know the fundamentals of management, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, reporting, as well as budgeting. Here, in the point of operation management also, we are effectively implementing the postcard in operational management concern. Here, planning for what kind of material we are producing, what is the quality, quantity, design, colors, everything which was already decided by top level executives, the practical implementation which is going to taking place in real time of the production. Here, as per the planning, organizing, directing instructions, we are regularly doing about our production process. Here, we need to see some more important activities also, like efficiency, effective concept. Because why it is so effective and efficiency? The company performance only be known by the customers by seeing your efficiency. Strategy is another important concept, as being a top level executive, everyone is going to prepare top level strategies by checking about environmental scanning. After verifying about the entire environment, top level executives will make sure to prepare by the a very good planning. The operational managers also, they should have a strong planning system based on the objectivity, based on vision, goal, strategy of the organization. Here, the operation managers, they should have a pre-planned task. It is like in a day, what is the schedule, what we supposed to do, and what is the productivity target for the day. When you are working a day-wise task, definitely we are going to see many more products as an output. Here, once you are going to formulating by the plan, that should be helpful for to achieving, to targeting the organization for future process. Here, we need to understood we are working with a competitive environment. Here, many companies are producing their product services. When you are introducing your product services, it should be have some kind of attractive elements, maybe design, prices, then the customers will show that interest about to buying the products. Next important function is maintaining the quality. Quality is one of the important determination factor for each and every consumer point of view, because we are spending a lot of money for to improve the customer standards. When customers are requesting more quality, then relatively we need to provide according to their standards. Here, operational manager will ensure the better quality of products which is available with the help of our production. Here the management also, they should not compromise about the quality of products. When you are going to compromise in the quality point of view, then definitely directly or indirectly you are going to lose your customers, and as well as in the competition you are going to be eliminated. Work on quality management. Here we are going to appointing many more supervisors to monitoring about your regular work aspect. In the regular work aspect, if you have any kind of doubts, definitely you can able to contact your supervisors. What supervisors will do? These are the people expert in the particular work area. Then they will guide you in a better way that how to increase the productivity by doing a less errors. If any defects are found, then definitely we are going to be rectify, we are going to clear it as soon as possible. The next important thing is product design. The design is one of the important element for to ensure to attract to the customers. Whenever you are introducing by the new designs, definitely customers will attract to buying your product. Here we need to be understood the marketing trends. Based on the requirements, based on the trends, we need to be introduce our product so that we are going to capturing by the market. Quality is one of the important element where we can able to elevate with the help of by the design. The next important concept is scope of operations management. Each and every work there should be a boundaries. Here also the operation management will basically having under these 5 important points. First one, increase productivity, raise revenues, improve customer satisfaction, enhance goodwill, and the last one is improve innovation. The first one is increase productivity. Here we need to understood productivity which is basically depending on demand. When the demand was raised, automatically productivity also will be increased. According to the recent statistics, in India, very few companies only working for 100% capacity. Here, why the other companies are not working with 100% capacity? Because of customers are not accepting those company products, quality standards are very low, or else they are deciding by the high prices. Because of many other reasons, the companies are not in a position to sustain in the market. When the companies are producing a qualitative products according to the standards and requirements of the customers, then definitely in future we can able to see not only with the 100%, those companies will go for the expansion of their institutions from state level to national, national level to global level, they will raise it. When the production was increased, indirectly the country GDP, national income also going to be increased. We are directly, indirectly providing and encouraging many industries and as well as employees. Being an operational manager, they should be feel responsibility about to the product designing, copywriting, and as well as production of the products. The next important thing is raise the revenue. Directly, indirectly, the objective of the organization is to earn the profit. Because of earning the profit, ultimately it is a benefit for the employees by paying good salaries, incentives. Stakeholders also will be getting in the name of dividend. Company also will be using this fund for to diversifying any other business, and as well as they will be moving on expansion of the industry in many other areas also. Here the profits are very active, important role will be playing for to increase the efficiency of the organization also. So far they may be focusing on manufacturing of product A. When you have a sufficient fund, then you are going to launch product B also, then public will be accepting, there is huge demand for your products also. Improve customer satisfaction. Why each and every company was talking about the customer satisfaction? As we know very well, ultimately the customer is king in the market. If customer is accepted, the company will be sustained. If in case the customer is rejected, then your company is going to be closed. So each and every business, they will be trying to create a relationship with the customers. Here we need to be understood only the marketing department which is going to have a direct contact with the customers, and relatively they will be knowing about the pulse of the customers based on their requirements. They are keep on updating, changing, corrections in the product. This is also helpful for them to remain to continue for the long term. As we know, the operational manager, they were focusing about the quality standards in every year. Goodwill. Why we are going to talk about an intangible asset of goodwill. Goodwill, which is going to be a reputation of the company, whereas which is going to helpful for to reach your goal of the business. Knowingly, unknowingly, everyone which is going to focus on improving the position of the organizations in the market. Market is a place where availability of n number of competitors, why the customers are buying your product, what kind of element was mostly attracting to them, that is going to be called it as a goodwill of the institution. If you are continuing about the brand, about the price, then in future endeavor also people are keep on buying your products, which is going to be enhance the business work to providing the best services for the customers. Improve innovation. Operational manager, which is going to be helpful for doing an innovation in the product. We should not be work only within the four walls of the institution. We should be knowing about what our competitors are doing, what kind of changes and updations they are doing in the product. Relatively, you need to be monitor, improve innovation. Being an operational manager, you should know about environment. Relatively, you have to do necessary changes in the product without any disturbance with marketing department, R&D department. Whenever you are doing the changes, that should be helpful for to achieve the goals of the organization. The decisions about the planning as an operational manager, that should be helpful for internal and as well as external users of the product. Innovation is all the time to give a booster for the customers to attractive more and more, and also which is going to be an important element of to keep on updating, to monitor financial, non-financial benefit to the customers. Like we are going to give innovation in the form of by giving buy one get one offer, or by giving some kind of coupon, so customer will feel that there is some kind of changes in the product. It is also an example like a almond milk. In the almond milk also what they will do, every festival time they will do different color of packing. So whenever the customer is buying the product, then definitely they will feel that there is some kind of changes, there is some kind of recognition of the community or by the region. Relatively, they were supporting, helping for them by granting these kind of financial as well as wishes to the market. Thank you.